Okay, so I have spotlighted my video already. So I hope you can see me. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. Wish you a very happy Diwali and happy New Year, students. Okay, so now, students, we are going to start with the section two part, that is part two of the science. And the very first topic which we are going to talk about is the reflection of light, students. So we are going to start with reflection of light. तो स्टूडेंट्स इन द प्रीवियस ईयर इटसेल्फ हमने ये चैप्टर पढ़ा है. वी हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज लाइट. वी हैव सीन दैट. वी हैव सीन दैट. We have learned we have different forms of energy, students. So just to name few, कौन से type forms of energy, students? So we have sound energy, then we have heat energy, then we have solar energy. Correct. और कौन सा energies है, students? और कौन सा energies है? Kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy, students. So electrical energy, that's correct. So students, we have learned the different types of energies in the chapter work and energy. So students, उसमें से एक energy है, that is nothing but the light energy, which we are going to talk about, right? Now you have already learned this chapter in standard 8th. We have learned the chapter reflection of light in standard 8th, right? So we are going to understand this chapter in more detail, and we are also going to look into the reflections generated by different types of mirror in this chapter, students. So let us quickly get started with the chapter and let us understand the introduction of the chapter first, right? So लाइट की वजह से क्या होता है, स्टूडेंट्स? आर यू एबल टू सी थिंग्स अराउंड यू? लाइट की वजह से आर यू एबल टू सी थिंग्स अराउंड यू? यस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लाइट क्या करता है? लाइट सेंसेशन क्रिएट करता है, स्टूडेंट्स. व्हाट डज लाइट डू? इट क्रिएट्स द सेंसेशन ऑफ विजन. व्हाट डज लाइट डू, स्टूडेंट्स? इट क्रिएट्स द सेंसेशन ऑफ विजन. आपको चीजें दिखती है, मतलब क्या है? आपकी आंखों में कुछ सेंसेशन होता है, इसके वजह से आपको दिखने मिलता है, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ डू यू सी? लेटेस्ट से अगर मैंने सारे लाइट्स बंद कर दिए, विल यू बी एबल टू सी, स्टूडेंट्स? अगर मैंने सारे लाइट्स बंद किए, विल यू बी एबल टू सी? You won't be able to see, students. So for you to see, is it important that there should be light present? For you to see, there should be light present, only then you will be able to see. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अपने को दिखता कैसे? तो एक शॉर्टली हम लोग अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. तो व्हाट वी हैव इज देयर इज ऑलवेज अ सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. अच्छा, अपने अर्थ के लिए हु इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, स्टूडेंट्स? अपने अर्थ के लिए हु इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट? दैट्स करेक्ट. सन इज द अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. व्हाट इज सन, स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज द अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. तो सन से अपने को लाइट मिलता है. अभी इस रूम में, स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी, इस रूम में द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट इज अ बल्ब. व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट इन दिस रूम? द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट इज अ बल्ब. तो स्टूडेंट्स, बल्ब से लाइट निकलेगा. बल्ब से लाइट निकलेगा. इट इज गोइंग टू फॉल ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर सर्फेस. बल्ब से लाइट निकलेगा, इट इज गोइंग टू फॉल ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर सर्फेस. वो लाइट सर्फेस पे हिट करने के बाद सर्फेस इज नॉट गोइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब द लाइट, स्टूडेंट्स. वो क्या करने वाला है? लाइट को धक्का देने वाला है. करेक्ट. व्हाट इज इट गोइंग टू डू, स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज गोइंग टू रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट. क्या करने वाला है वो? रिफ्लेक्ट करने वाला है. रिफ्लेक्ट मतलब क्या? उसको क्या करने वाला है? फेंकने वाला है, बाउंस करने वाला है. Now, students, from the source, the light hits the surface. When the light hits the surface, वो लाइट क्या होगा? रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. एंड ये जो रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट है, इट विल एंटर इनटू माय आई. द रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट आफ्टर हिटिंग द सर्फेस विल एंटर इनटू माय आई. अच्छा, अभी मेरे आंखों में, स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होता है? मेरे आंखों में एक लेंस होता है. वो लेंस क्या करेगा? वो लेंस क्या करेगा? वो लेंस बराबर से वो लाइट को क्या करने वाला है? अपने रेटिना पे, अपने रेटिना पे इट इज गोइंग टू मेक इट इंसिडेंट. अपने रेटिना पे व्हाट इज इट गोइंग टू डू? इट इज गोइंग टू मेक इट इंसिडेंट. एंड अपने रेटिना पे ये ऑब्जेक्ट का इमेज फॉर्म करेगा, स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम द सोर्स द लाइट हिट्स द ऑब्जेक्ट, enters into the eye. From the eye, the image is formed on the retina. The image is formed on the retina. And when the image is formed on the retina, students, होता क्या है? वो जो इमेज है, वो क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल के माध्यम से इट गोज इनटू आवर ब्रेन. दैट लाइट, दैट इमेज विच इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द रेटिना, स्टूडेंट्स, वो हम, अच्छा, रेटिना क्या होता है? वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट इन स्टैंडर्ड 10, स्टूडेंट्स. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जो रेटिना होता है, दैट रेटिना इट क्रिएट्स द लाइट इमेज into the electrical signal and वो electrical signal अपने brain में जाता है. That is how our brain is able to see things around us. So this is the general explanation of how we see the objects around us, right? So moving on, students, for us to see what is important, light energy is important. For us to see what is important, light energy is important. So just if I have to define light, light matlab kya? Light is nothing but a form of energy which creates sensation of vision. क्या करता है वो? Sensation of vision create करता है. All right, now let us understand few properties of light, students. Let us understand few properties of light. ठीक है? अभी अगर मैंने लेजर से लाइट मारा, लाइट ऐसा सांप के तरह जाएगा, ये ऐसा स्ट्रेट जाएगा. Light, will it travel zigzag, will it travel in the curves, or will it travel straight? That's correct, students. So light always travels in a straight line. Light always travels in a straight line. इस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट को हम लोग बोलते हैं, दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड एज, दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड एज rectilinear propagation. What is it called as, students? This property of light is called as rectilinear propagation. इसका मतलब क्या है? Light travels in a straight line. Propagation मतलब the path with which it travels. Propagation matlab, students, the path with which it travels. And linear matlab straight. Linear matlab straight. So light always travels in a straight line. Light always travels in a straight line, right? So students, what do you understand by this is light हमेशा straight है. Light कैसे जाता है? हमेशा straight जाता है. Let us say एक खिड़की है. खिड़की में एक छोटा सा होल होगा. If you see the light which is coming from that hole, you will appear that the light is always traveling straight. Are we understanding this? So that is the very first property of light, that the light always travels in a straight line. ठीक है? अच्छा, moving on, students, let us talk about the second property of light. अच्छा, जब भी लाइट को एक सरफेस पे हिट करता है, जब भी लाइट कोई सरफेस पे हिट करता है, लाइट क्या करता है? इट बाउंसेस बैक. व्हाट इज दैट बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ लाइट कॉल्ड एज? What is that bouncing back of light called as, students? When the light hits on a particular surface, when the light hits on a particular surface, वो light क्या करता है? Hit करता है and it bounces back. What is that bouncing back of light called as? Correct, it is called as reflection of light. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, students? Reflection of light. जैसे हम लोग बॉल को दीवार पे फेंकते हैं, बॉल क्या करता है? वो पीछे आता है, वापस हिट करके पीछे आता है. Similarly, when the light it hits on a particular surface, the light reflects, matlab the light bounces back, and this phenomena of light is called as reflection of light, right? Acha, now if I were to ask you, reflection will occur best in which type of surface? Will it be wood, students? Will it be wood? Wood से अच्छा reflection बनेगा क्या? नहीं, right? How should be the surface, students? It should be plain surface, it should be smooth surface, and it should be a reflecting surface, most importantly. कैसा surface होना चाहिए, students? Reflecting surface होना चाहिए, तो ही light क्या करेगा, students? Reflect करेगा. अच्छा, if I were to ask you, students, which is the best reflecting surface, what would be your answer? If I were to ask you which is the best reflecting surface, what would be the answer? That's correct, students. Mirror is the best reflecting surface. So students, light कहाँ से में reflect होता है? Light mirror से reflect करता है, right? अच्छा students, you always, अभी दिवाली गया, बहुत कुछ आपने मेकअप किया, सज धज के अच्छे कपड़े पहने, right? So to see yourself, students, what you use is you use mirror, right? But have you thought about ये mirror कैसे बनता है? Have you given a thought ये mirror produce कैसे करते हैं, students? So students, the process of mirror making is extremely simple. The process of mirror making is extremely simple. Let us try to understand this. So what I do is, students, to make a mirror, I take a glass sheet. What do I take, students? I take a glass sheet. Now this glass sheet is which type of surface, students? This glass sheet is which type of surface? I'll give you the option. I'll give you the option. Please answer. A. Opaque surface. B. ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस या सी ट्रांसक्लूसेंट सरफेस? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, दैट इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस. तो हम लोग क्या करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स, टू मेक अ मिरर वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ ग्लास शीट with transparent surface. अच्छा, what do you understand by transparent surface, students? What do you understand by transparent surface? ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस आग पाग दिखता है. ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस से वी कैन सी थ्रू इट, मतलब ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस अलाउज लाइट टू पास थ्रू इट. Transparent surface allows light to pass through it. So what we do is we take a sheet of glass, we take a sheet of glass which will be a transparent surface, which will be a transparent surface. अच्छा, अभी कितने sides होंगे students? ग्लास के कितने साइड्स होंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू हैव टू साइड्स. तो स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऑन वन पर्टिकुलर साइड हम लोग उसको एक मेटल से, मेटल के थिन फिल्म से कोट करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स. what are we going to do is we are going to coat one side of glass with a thin layer of metal. Can you tell me what that metal would be? Can you tell me what that metal would be? It would be aluminium, or it would be aluminium or अच्छा अच्छा सबसे बेस्ट मतलब क्या? सबसे बेस्ट मतलब स्टील, सिल्वर. सबसे बेस्ट मतलब सिल्वर, राइट? आपने चांदी के बर्तन देखे ना, बहुत चमकते हैं. Metals are best reflectors. When you purchase, students, when you purchase a new plate, you can see your face into it very properly because metals are best reflectors. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं, on the sheet of glass what we do is we make a coating of, on the sheet of glass what we do is on this side what we do is we make a coating of a silver layer. We make a coating of a silver layer which is going to be a reflecting surface. अच्छा, उस सिल्वर लेयर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स, उस सिल्वर लेयर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए व्हाट वी डू इज उसके ऊपर हम लोग एक लेड ऑक्साइड का, व्हाट वी डू इज वी मेक अनदर लेयर ओवर इट. तो यहाँ पे सिल्वर का लेयर बनाया, उसके ऊपर आई पुट लेड ऑक्साइड. व्हाट डू आई पुट? लेड ऑक्साइड. लेड ऑक्साइड. So I put another coating of lead oxide over it, students. Acha, can you tell me why do we have another layer of lead oxide? Can you guess why? Can you guess why? Why do we have to? Why do we have to coat it with lead oxide? To prevent oxidation. That's correct. आपको पता है चांदी काली पड़ती है, so no students. So to prevent it from getting dark, what we do is we paint it with the lead oxide. Secondly, अगर हमने गलती से अगर वो जो थिन लेयर है उसको स्क्रैच कर दिया, तो वो जो सिल्वर लेयर है विल इट कम ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. So in order to protect that layer, what we do is we make another coating over it, which is a lead oxide coating, right? Lead oxide is going to be probably red in color, right? तो कभी कभी पेंट भी लगाते हैं. So now students, what we have is on this surface, there's a layer on this surface, there's a layer of silver and lead oxide. So which kind of surface are we talking about here? Which kind of surface are we talking about here? इधर से लाइट पास किया, इधर से पास किया लाइट. Will you be able to see my face, students? If there's a if there's a coating of lead oxide, will you be able to see my face? No. So which kind of surface is this, students? It becomes an opaque surface, students. Which kind of surface does it become? It becomes an opaque surface. अभी मैंने क्या किया, ये शीट को टर्न किया. Now what I do is I turn the sheet. Now which kind of surface is this, students? The other side of the sheet becomes a reflecting. The other side of the sheet becomes a reflecting surface. कौन सा surface बनेगा, students? Reflecting surface. So this is how we make a mirror. This is how we make a mirror by simply putting a by simply putting a small layer by simply putting a small layer of silver metal over a sheet of glass, right? Okay, so that is about the mirror, right? अच्छा, अगर मैंने आपको बोला चलो मिरर ड्रॉ करना है, कैन यू ड्रॉ द सिंबल ऑफ मिरर, स्टूडेंट्स? डू यू रिकॉल द सिंबल ऑफ मिरर? कैन यू ड्रॉ अ सिंबल ऑफ मिरर? चलो ड्रॉ करो अपने नोटबुक में. ड्रॉ द सिंबल ऑफ मिरर. See if you can recall how does the mirror look like. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न फिजिक्स में अपना लाइफ इजी बन जाता है जब भी हम लोग क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग सिंबल सीखते हैं. कैन यू रिकॉल द सिंबल ऑफ मिरर? अगर मैंने आपको मिरर निकालने बोला, वुड यू ड्रॉ मिरर दिस? वुड यू ड्रॉ मिरर दिस वे स्टूडेंट्स? ऐसा मिरर निकालोगे क्या? Are you going to draw mirror such kind, students? No. So students, mirror has a symbol. Can you recall what the symbol is? The symbol is, students, we have to draw a straight line. We have to draw a straight line. And क्या करना है students? And क्या करना है? And on the one side, what are we supposed to do is, we are supposed to draw slanting lines. On one side, we are supposed to draw slanting lines. So this is the symbol of plane mirror. What is the symbol of, students? This is a symbol of plane mirror, matlab chapta mirror. How is the surface, students? The surface is flat. The mirror whose surface is flat is nothing but a plane mirror. तो आपके घर पे जो मिरर है वो कौन सा मिरर है? That is a plane mirror जिसका symbol ऐसे होगा, right? So we have to draw a straight line, and on one of the sides, what are we supposed to do, is, students, we are supposed to make slanting lines. अच्छा, now किधर खड़ा रहने का? किधर खड़ा रहने का? Should I stand on the right hand side or should I stand on the left hand side? Should I stand on the left hand side or should I stand on the right hand side, students? खड़ा किधर रहने का, students? खड़ा किधर रहने का? I have to stand, students. I have to stand on the left hand side. Where should I stand, students? On the left hand side. Because what kind of surface is this, students? What kind of surface is this? Left hand side पे मेगा का कौन सा surface है? It is a reflecting surface. कौन सा surface है, students? जो plane side होता है, that is the reflecting surface. The plane side is the reflecting surface. And ये oblique lines है, students. या ये जो slanting lines है, what kind of surface is that, students? That is a opaque surface. So students, on the left side we have a reflecting surface and on the right hand side we have a opaque surface. तो अगर आपको खड़ा होके मेकअप करना है, students, so which side should you stand? You should stand on the left hand side, matlab you should face the reflecting surface, students. So this becomes an object. ये क्या बनता है, students? ये जो इंसान है, what is this? This person becomes an object. कौन है ये? Object. तो ये कौन है? Who is this, students? Is this another person? Is this another person, students? नहीं. तो ये कौन है? अगर ये object है तो who is this? Who is this, students? This is an image. क्या बोलेंगे, students, इसको? We are going to call it as image. तो object का क्या बन गया, students? Object का image बन गया. Object का image बन गया. So students, we have an object जिसका बनता है image on the inside the mirror. Are we understanding the, students? So this is about the reflection in case of a plane mirror. Achha, we are going to understand reflection in case of a plane mirror in a detailed way. We are also going to talk about the types of image formed eventually. But let us quickly revise, students, let us quickly revise the reflection, students. Let us quickly revise the reflection in case of a plane mirror. Let us quickly revise the reflection in case of a plane mirror जो आपने 8th standard में पढ़ा है, right? So let us quickly look at what kind of reflection we have. Let me share a white screen with you all. All right, chalo. So now what we have is this is the mirror, students. What is this? This is the mirror. अच्छा, नीचे side वाला क्या है, students? Which kind of surface is at the bottom? At the bottom we have opaque surface. That's correct. At the bottom we have opaque surface. And ऊपर वाला surface कौन सा है, students? ऊपर वाला surface is a reflecting surface. That's correct. अच्छा, अभी मैंने क्या किया, students? I take a point source. What I do is I take a point source. तो मैंने point source लिया. Point source का मतलब क्या है? Point source मतलब क्या है? I'll give you an example, students. You have to identify which one is the point source. एक, the first one is the bulb, and the second one is The laser light, bulb and a laser light, bulb and a laser light, उसमें से point source कौन सा है students? That's correct, students. Laser light is a point source, meaning laser light say students we are going to have a single ray of light. From the laser light, we are going to have a single ray of light coming from that source. Single ray of light which is coming from that source. तो स्टूडेंट्स बल्ब में से कैसे आता है? बल्ब में से बीम ऑफ लाइट आता है. बल्ब में से बीम ऑफ लाइट आता है, मीनिंग देयर लॉट ऑफ रेज कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट. Whereas पॉइंट सोर्स में से सिर्फ एक सिंगल रे आता है. पॉइंट सोर्स में से वी हैव अ सिंगल रे विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इट. सो लेट अस से P and Q is a point source. So all right, one second, students. The diagram doesn't look good here. So what we'll do is I'll show it on the screen itself, on the board itself, right? So let us look at the reflections in case of a plane mirror, right? तो हमने क्या किया? What we do is we take a plane mirror. So this becomes the opaque surface and this becomes the reflecting surface. Let us name the point P. What is point P, students? Point P is a point source. Point P क्या है? Point source, meaning point P से एक single ray of light आएगा. Point P say what are we going to have, students? A single ray of light. We are going to have a single ray of light. ठीक है? अच्छा. The light which is going towards the mirror. Can you tell me what kind of light is this, students? The ray of light which is going towards the mirror. कौन सा ray of light होता है, students? Can you recall the name of this ray of light? This ray of light is called as incident ray. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Incident ray. The ray of light which goes towards the mirror, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं incident ray. What do we call it as? We call it as incident ray. So let us say PQ. Let us name this point Q. PQ is an incident ray. PQ is an incident ray. Incoming ray है. The ray which goes towards the mirror is called as incident ray. Right? The point at which the ray hits the mirror. Do you know what is that point called as? That point is called as point of incidence. क्या बोलेंगे students? Point of incidence. The point at which the ray hits the mirror is called as point of incidence. So quickly revise करते. What is point P? Point P is a point source. Point P is a point source. What is PQ, students? What is PQ? PQ is an incident ray. PQ is an incident ray. Point Q पे, students. Point Q पे the ray hits the mirror. What is point Q called as? Point Q is called as point of incidence. All right, chalo. Next. If you can recall, students, what we used to do is point Q के ऊपर हम लोग एक perpendicular निकालते थे. Can you recall that, students? Perpendicular. ऐसे perpendicular निकालते थे. Perpendicular to the surface. What is that perpendicular called as? That perpendicular, MN, let us say, is called as normal. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Normal. 8th standard में हमने पढ़ा है ये, students, right? We have learned this in standard 8. So here what we have is, we have point source, we have incident ray. The incident ray hits the mirror at point Q, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं point of incidence. Point Q के ऊपर, students, what we do is we draw an imaginary perpendicular. To the mirror, which is called as normal. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Normal. Now, students, from point Q, ये रे किधर जाएगा? ये रे bounce होगा. क्या होगा वो, students? The ray is going to bounce. अच्छा, I'll draw three rays. Tell me which path is the light going to move. This is path 1. This is path 2. and this is path 3. Which ray is going to be the incident ray or reflected ray, students? The path 3, the light after reflection will follow path 3. So the path 3 jo hai, that is going to be, which ray is it going to be, students? This is going to be which ray? This is going to be the reflected ray. कौन सा ray बनेगा ये students? Reflected ray. So let us name it as QR. So here QR is the reflected ray. QR is the reflected ray. Reflected ray. Are we understanding the students? So now, acha, you're asking why why not path 1 and part 2? Why not path 1 and part 2? We'll come to that, students. We'll come to that. Why path 1 and path 2 क्यों नहीं था? We are going to understand it shortly, right? Acha, next. Now, students, if you tell me incident ray and normal, इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल, इसके बीच में कुछ एंगल बन रहा है, इसके बीच में कुछ एंगल बन रहा है. व्हाट इज दैट एंगल कॉल्ड एज? व्हाट इज दैट एंगल कॉल्ड एज? इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल के बीच में कुछ एंगल बन रहा है. दैट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. क्या बोलते हैं? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या होता है उसका, स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हियर? Correct. The short form of angle of incidence is small letter I. So small letter I denotes the angle of incidence. So angle of incidence क्या होता है, students? It is the angle between dash and dash. Angle between dash and dash. It is an angle between incident ray and normal. Incident ray and normal. तो इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल के बीच में जो एंगल होता है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, which we denoted by small letter I. Can you tell me what is this going to be, students? What is this going to be? Correct. That is going to be R, which is nothing but angle of reflection. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Angle of reflection. Can you define the angle of reflection? I'll help you out, students. Angle of reflection is the angle between dash and dash. Angle of reflection is the angle between dash and dash. Angle between normal and reflected ray. Angle between normal and reflected ray. So this is what I understand. This is how the ray diagram takes place. Now, ये I and R के बीच में कुछ relationship है क्या? Have you learned this in standard 8th? I and R, angle of incidence and angle of reflection के बीच में कुछ relationship है क्या? What is the relationship between I and R, students? That's correct. I is always equal to R. According to law of reflection, I is always equal to R. And that is the reason why, students, path 1 and path 3 will not act like a reflected ray. Q, because path 1 and path 3 mein, students, this condition was not satisfied. Angle of incidence was not equal to angle of reflection. Path 1 and path 2 में I was not equal to R. इसके वजह से students, this is discarded. ये हम लोग path consider नहीं करेंगे for the reflected ray. So I hope you understood the simple reflection in case of a plane mirror. Simple reflection in case of a plane mirror. 8th standard का concept है. 8th standard का concept है. But मुझे एक question पूछना है आपको. मुझे एक simple question पूछना है. My question to you is, listen to the question very properly. My question to you is, incident ray is making 50 degree with the mirror. Incident ray is making 50 degree. Listen to the question very properly, students. Incident ray is making angle 50 degree with the mirror. What will be the angle of reflection? What will be the angle of reflection? No. 50 is not the right answer. Now I can see the correct answers coming. Very nice, students. The correct answer is 40 डिग्री। कितना है करेक्ट आंसर? 40 डिग्री. What did I say, students? What did I say? I simply said the incident ray is making angle of 50 degree with the mirror. मिरर के साथ कितना एंगल बना रहा था? 50 डिग्री बना रहा था. So if this angle is 50 degree, students, can you tell me what is angle of incidence equal to? Angle of incidence is going to be how much? Angle of incidence is going to be, angle of incidence is going to be 90 minus 50. क्यों 90 minus 50, students? क्यों 90 minus 50? Because this is a perpendicular, right? What is this? Perpendicular. Perpendicular मतलब 90 डिग्री. तो 90 डिग्री में से स्टूडेंट्स अगर ये 50 डिग्री चला गया तो ये कितना बचा? This is 40 डिग्री. So if angle of incidence 40 डिग्री है तो angle of reflection कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? Angle of incidence अगर I 40 है तो according to the law of reflection R is also going to be 40 degree. R is also going to be 40 degree. So this is the very simple question, right? Would you like to try another question, students? Would you like to try another question? All right, चलो अब ये थोड़ा सा ना बहुत खिचड़ी हो गया है. What I'll do is I'll clear this off, right? I'll clear this off. So now my question to you is, ये जो एंगल है, reflected ray makes an angle with the mirror. I'll repeat, reflected ray makes an angle with the mirror which is 30 degree. Which is 30 degree. What is the angle between? What is the angle between incident ray and reflected ray? I'll repeat the question, students. Listen to me very properly. Listen to me very properly. 60 is not the right answer. My question is, reflected ray makes 30 degree with the surface of the mirror. मैंने आपको पूछा what is going to be the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, मतलब ये एंगल कितना होगा? सिंपल ज्योमेट्री है स्टूडेंट्स, सिंपल ज्योमेट्री है. दैट्स करेक्ट. द आंसर इज 120 डिग्री. कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? 120 डिग्री. आर वी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? हाउ? ये पूरा कितना है? दिस एंटायर इज 90. 90 में से ये 30 चला गया, ये कितना हो गया? एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन कितना हुआ? एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन बिकम्स 60 डिग्री. Angle of reflection is 60, so therefore angle of incidence will also be how much? Angle of incidence will also be 60 degree. And students, incident ray and reflected ray के बीच में angle क्या होगा? I plus R, which is 60 plus 60, मतलब कितना? 120 degree. कितना होगा students? 120 degree. So these are the simple questions, students, which you might get in the exams. These are the simple questions, that is to calculate angle of incidence, angle of reflection, which you might expect in the exams, right? So this is about the reflection through the plane surface, reflection through the plane mirror, right? Acha. Let us quickly look at the reflection of a point source again, right? तो P मतलब क्या होता है? Point source होता है. Point source से students एक ray है which is going towards the mirror. That ray is called as incident ray. Incident ray जहां पे hit होता है mirror को, that is called as point of incidence. Point of incidence पे students, what I do is I draw an imaginary perpendicular to the surface, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं नॉर्मल, राइट? नॉर्मल के दूसरे साइड से स्टूडेंट्स क्या होगा? ये जो इंसिडेंट रे है वो बाउंस होके रिफ्लेक्टेड रे फॉर्म करेगा. व्हाट इज इट गोइंग टू फॉर्म स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. सो QR इज अ रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, राइट? इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल के बीच में जो एंगल होता है, व्हाट इज दैट एंगल कॉल्ड एज? दैट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज angle of incidence. Similarly, normal and reflected ray के बीच में जो angle होता है, what is that angle called as? That angle is called as angle of reflection. And according to the law of reflection, I is always equals to R. I is always equals to R. Right? So this is the concept of the reflection in case of a plane mirror. All right. Moving on, students. When you stand in front of a mirror forms an image. A mirror forms an image. Now, whatever image is formed by the plane mirror, we are talking about which mirror, students? We are talking about a plane mirror. That is, जिसका surface flat होता है. वो जो image बनाता है उसकी कुछ characteristics होते हैं, students. Let us now talk about the characteristics of the image in a plane mirror. Again, characteristics of image in case of a plane mirror. Let us talk about the first characteristics. You are standing outside. आपका image कहाँ पे बनता है, students? प्लेन मिरर में आपका इमेज कहां पे बनता है? प्लेन मिरर में आपका इमेज कहां पे बनता है? इनसाइड बनता है. किधर बनता है? मिरर के अंदर. मिरर के अंदर भी द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड, राइट? इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड, द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड इनसाइड द मिरर. द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड इनसाइड द मिरर. नाउ, कैन यू टच दैट इमेज, स्टूडेंट्स? कैन यू फील दैट इमेज? Can you feel that image? Can you smell that image, students? Nahi. You can't do that, right? You cannot touch the image. You cannot sense the image. You cannot feel the image. Yes, such kind of image is called as a virtual image. कौन सा image, students? Virtual image. What do we call it as, students? We call it as a virtual image. Virtual image को आप touch नहीं कर सकते. Anything which you cannot touch, anything which you cannot smell, anything which you cannot feel, we call it as virtual. Amazon पे आप shopping करते हो, students. It's a virtual shop. It's a virtual market, right? आप वो जो कपड़ा है क्या आप पहन सकते हो क्या? This is a virtual class, right? Can you see me? Can you feel me? Can you see me around yourself? No, you can just look at my image, right? So students, similarly, the image which is formed by a plane mirror is the first type of characteristics is virtual virtual image. कौन सा image बनता है? Plane mirror forms a virtual image. Plane mirror forms a virtual image. That is, the image is formed inside. अगर ये mirror होगा, if I am standing outside, the image will be inside the mirror. It will be inside the mirror, right? So that image is called as virtual image. Fine. The second one is, students. The second one is, let us talk about the second characteristic. Let us say अगर मेरा height 5 feet का होगा, तो मेरी image का height कितना होगा, students? If object height is of 5 feet, let us say, image का height कितना होगा? That's correct. Image का height is also going to be 5 feet. So students, ये जो plane mirror होता है, it always forms the image of a same size. अगर मैं मोटा होगा तो मेरा image मोटा बनेगा. If I am thin, my image is going to be thin. Yes or no, students? So the second characteristics of image formed in plane mirror is same size. Is same size. The first characteristics is virtual image. The image formed by image in plane mirror. Image in plane mirror. पहला क्या है? The first characteristics is virtual image. The second characteristics is image is of same size. Image is of same size, right? Let us now talk about the third characteristic, students. Let us talk about the third characteristics. अगर मैं सीधा होगा तो मेरा इमेज कैसे होगा? सीधा होगा या it is going to be upside down, students? If I'm standing straight, my image will be straight, or will it be upside down, students? Correct. My image is going to be straight. If I am standing straight, the image is going to be straight, and such image is called as erect image. What is it called as, students? Such image is called as erect image. मतलब सीधा. Erect मतलब क्या? सीधा. Right? So students, the image which is formed by plane mirror, वो कैसे होता है? First, virtual होता है. Second, same size का होता है. And third, इरेक्ट होता है, मीनिंग इफ आई एम स्ट्रेट द इमेज विल बी स्ट्रेट। अगर मैं उल्टा होगा तो मेरा इमेज भी कैसे होगा स्टूडेंट्स, उल्टा होगा। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? सो द प्लेन मिरर ऑलवेज फॉर्म्स एन इरेक्ट इमेज, उल्टा रहेगा तो उल्टा ही फॉर्म होगा, राइट? सो थ्री कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स विच वी हैव लर्नड, three characteristics of image in case of plane mirror which we have learned is, the first one is virtual image, the second one is same size, the second one is same size, and the third one is erect image. So these are the three characteristics, right? Acha, there are two more characteristics. Let us now demonstrate. Let us now demonstrate. Now here, let us say if I am an object, consider yourself as an image students. आप मेरा image हो ऐसे मानो. For some time, consider you are an image. Consider you are an image. अभी मैंने ये हाथ ऊपर उठाया, ये हाथ ऊपर उठाया, मेरे साथ आप हाथ ऊपर उठाओ और हिलाओ। जैसे मैं हाथ ऊपर उठाता है वैसे आप हाथ उठाओ and shake it. Now students, which hand have you raised? Which hand have you raised? You have raised left hand students. You have raised left hand whereas I have raised right hand. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने राइट हैंड रेज किया, तो आपने कौन सा हाथ उठाया? आपने, अगर आप मेरी इमेज होगी तो आपने लेफ्ट हैंड उठाया होगा। आपने कौन सा हाथ उठाया होगा? लेफ्ट हैंड। अच्छा, अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वापस देखते हैं, ठीक है? आई एम एन ऑब्जेक्ट, यू आर माई इमेज। आई एम एन ऑब्जेक्ट, यू आर माई इमेज। मेरे साथ, हाँ मेरे साथ धीरे धीरे हाथ उठाओ। रेज योर हैंड स्टूडेंट्स, रेज योर हैंड, say hi to me, say hi to me, right? So now I am an object, you are my image. मैंने कौन सा हाथ उठाया? Which hand, which right hand did I raise students? I have raised left hand, I have raised left hand. You being my image, आपने कौन सा हाथ उठाया students? आपने कौन सा हाथ उठाया? That's correct, आपने right hand उठाया ऊपर। Yes or no students? तो students, ऑब्जेक्ट का राइट becomes इमेज का, ऑब्जेक्ट का राइट becomes इमेज का डैश, दैट्स करेक्ट, becomes इमेज का लेफ्ट, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट का लेफ्ट becomes इमेज का, ऑब्जेक्ट का लेफ्ट becomes इमेज का राइट। दिस प्रॉपर्टी, दिस characteristics of image formed is called as lateral inversion। क्या बोलेंगे? lateral inversion, lateral inversion। lateral inversion का मतलब क्या है? lateral inversion means left of object becomes right of image, left of object becomes right of image and right of object becomes left of image, right? तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो साइड्स है वो इंटरचेंज हो जाता है। क्या हो जाता है? साइड्स इंटरचेंज होता है। लैटरल मतलब क्या? बाजू का स्टूडेंट्स, बाजू का, ऊपर नीचे नहीं। लैटरल मतलब क्या? वर्टिकल स्टूडेंट्स, वर्टिकली उल्टा हो जाता है, वर्टिकली उल्टा हो जाता है, हॉरिजॉन्टली अपसाइड डाउन नहीं होता, वर्टिकली उल्टा हो जाता है। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस स्टूडेंट्स? सो लैटरल इन्वर्जन मतलब लेफ्ट of the object becomes right of the image, left of the object becomes right of the image and right of the object becomes left of the image. So this is called as lateral inversion. This characteristics of image is called as lateral inversion students. Vertically matlab, sorry, horizontally students, I'm sorry, vertically नहीं, horizontally, I'm sorry about that. horizontally उल्टा हो जाता है, horizontally उल्टा हो जाता है, right? Okay, so now आपने कभी एम्बुलेंस देखा? एम्बुलेंस के ऊपर, एम्बुलेंस लिखा होता है ना, तो सीधा लिखते हैं लैटरल इन्वर्टेड लिखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? हाउ डू दे राइट इट स्टूडेंट्स? दे राइट इट लैटरली इन्वर्टेड। हाउ डू दे राइट इट? लैटरली इन्वर्टेड, सो दैट जब भी आप गाड़ी चलाते हो, गाड़ी का रेयर व्यू मिरर से जब भी आप एम्बुलेंस पीछे देखोगे, you will read it in a straight manner. Are you understanding this? So we'll see that students, we'll see that image shortly. We'll see that image shortly, so you'll be able to understand the lateral inversion, right? Acha. And the last type of image or the last characteristics is Let us say students, एक mirror है. So this is the mirror, and I'm standing on the third block. This is the mirror, students. This is the mirror. What I'm doing is I am standing on the third tile from the mirror. I'm standing on the third tile from the mirror. मेरा जो इमेज है वो कौन से टाइल पे खड़ा होगा? My image will stand on which tile of the mirror from the mirror, students? It will also stand on the third tile. It will also stand on the third tile. What do you understand by this, students? What do you understand by this? Object distance and image distance कैसे होता है? Object distance and image distance कैसे होता है? Object distance and image distance is same. Object distance and image distance is equal. कैसा होता है, students? Equal होता है. So here the fifth characteristics which we learned is object distance is equal to image distance from the mirror. Object distance from the mirror is equal to the image distance from the mirror. So that is the fifth characteristics which is formed, or which we consider in case of a plane mirror. Let us have a demonstration. Let us quickly look at the images, students. I'll share a screen with you all. I'll share a screen with you all. All right. So I hope you can see the images, students. Okay. So now what we have here is we have a candle. This is a candle, and what we have is we have a plane mirror. Candle bahar hai. Where is the image formed? The image is formed inside the mirror, and therefore when the image is formed inside the mirror, हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Which type of mirror is it, students? Sorry, which type of image is it, students? It is a virtual image. कौन सा image है? Virtual image. So that is the first characteristics which we spoke about. अच्छा, कैंडल है, कैंडल लेटर से 15 सेंटीमीटर का होगा, तो ये इमेज का भी साइज कितना होगा, स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी ऑफ 15 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब क्या? सेम साइज फॉर्म हुआ. कैसे साइज हुआ फॉर्म? सेम साइज. कैंडल, स्टूडेंट्स, कैंडल है. इफ इट इज थिन, ये जो इमेज बना है, इज इट थिक, स्टूडेंट्स? नहीं. ये कैंडल का इमेज कैसे है, स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज ऑल्सो थिन. मतलब सेम साइज, राइट? सेम हाइट, सेम साइज, राइट? अच्छा, मूविंग ऑन. लेफ्ट हैंड. ये जो पर्सन है, द पर्सन हु इज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड द मिरर, ही हैज रेज्ड राइट हैंड. इमेज ने कौन सा हाथ ऊपर उठाया, स्टूडेंट्स? लेफ्ट हैंड. कैन यू टेल मी विच प्रॉपर्टी आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर? We are talking about lateral inversion. What are we talking about? Lateral inversion. Right ka left, left ka right. And the example which I spoke about, ambulance. Ambulance के ऊपर, students, ऐसे लिखा होता है. But when you see in the rear view mirror, students, you can read it properly. Are we understanding this? School bus में भी ऐसे school bus उल्टा लिखा होता है. Laterally inverted लिखा होता है. So that when a person who is driving a car, जब भी वो rear view mirror से वो पढ़ता है, तभी उसको कैसे दिखेगा? सीधा दिखेगा. Are we understanding this? So this is because of the characteristics lateral inversion, right? So these are the few examples. These are the few examples which we spoke in case of a. Okay. So these are few of the example, students, which we spoke in case of. These are few of the characteristics which we spoke in case of a plane mirror. So you can quickly write. The characteristics, students. You can quickly write the characteristics. First one, chalo recall karo. First one is virtual image. Second is same size. Third one is erect. Fourth one is lateral inversion. And the last one is Object distance is equals to image distance. Object distance is equals to image distance, right? Acha, students, we are done here. We are done here. If you have a doubt, you may stay. Others